Hey everybody, this is Alex, Health Hacks Reviewed. So this is a quick bit of information on infrared saunas with off-gassing part 2. This is something that you will very rarely hear about. If you're looking for a really clean sauna, that a big exposure of where we get a lot of off-gassing, hazardous substances becoming airborne in our homes, cars, I mean you name it, his electronics. Electronics, that's right. So the electronic components or electrical components of saunas, a lot of them are getting those components, and usually from China and Korea and Japan and India, and that's okay regardless. The thing that we want to make sure is that those electrical components are meeting a specific standard, well, which is the ROHS European standard for restriction of hazardous substances. Now, what that means is that this certification process or standard is that in those components, you're not coating it with a lot of things, lead, cadmium, a lot of benzene residues, flame retardants, which are also known as like bromides, and so on and so forth. When those electrical components warm up, as they will, of course, especially when infrared is exposed and there's a lot of heat, that's when you start to have a lot of off-gassing from electrical components. In fact, you probably already have experienced this with maybe an older generation computer monitor. So if you remember the big monitors that actually have a back, not a laptop or a flat screen, but a bigger monitor. I don't know if you've ever gotten a new one, and for the first couple months or whatever, when it's been on for a while, you can it smells like a computer. Basically, it smells like the computer you got, or you can almost smell the plastic. So that's a perfect example of something releasing tons of those chemicals into your small airspace. So people with multiple chemical sensitivities, or people that have the goal of really detoxing, mobilizing toxins, and getting the full range of benefits of a health sauna, the obviously counterproductive thing here, and that can also be very dangerous depending on how sensitized your immune system is to have then all of this toxic off-gassing from electrical components. So in general, most brands of sauna that are coming from the 4 big manufacturers in China, their electrical components are not that very high grade, and they are using a lot of those different sorts of stuff sprayed on the inside, or different types of metals that go into it. So you can actually build those a lot cleaner. So again, that's something that you really want to double sure and make sure that the company is really sourcing out the best components and pieces in order to craft together the infrared sauna unit. If you have any questions about a specific brand you're evaluating right now, I'm definitely your guy. Just send me a quick message or email, or you're also welcome to give me a call. Thanks for watching.